Hey traders, welcome back to another edition of the Market Preview. My name is Vasily, I'm your trading coach and professional forex trader. For today's booklet edition, I prepared for you the recording example of the application of my trading strategy. From analysis to trade execution and management, all the steps that I go through when I analyze the market and when I execute the trades. It will be a very practical lesson for you, so enjoy that. It will be very interesting. Don't forget to like this video, by the way, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's start. So it is the New Zealand Swiss chart, daily chart, and here first of all let's try to identify a current market trend. And I guess from current perspective we can easily identify that on the New Zealand Swiss the market is trading in a sharp bullish trend. For quite a long period of time we see the segments of the higher highs, higher lows, and based on our classic price action rules we derive that the market right now is bullish, right? What happened recently with the price though? The price reached the high over here. Yes, 0.65 was kind of the psychological level, and from there the price nicely dropped. Yes, we saw two bearish days. Yes, we saw a very nice sell-off right here. And let's try to get what's happening with the market right now. As you can see, the price nicely dropped to that structure level. What do we know about that structure level? You can see that it was the previous structure high, and moreover the market at least three times tried to violate that structure to the upside, but was rejected, and from that structure the market dropped. And based on the classic structure rules, right now this structure resistance here turned to support, yes, and from that structure most likely right now we will expect a bullish move. And as you can see right now the price is perfectly trading within that structure. So for that reason, from that area we can try to catch a nice trend following opportunity following the bullish trend on New Zealand Swiss. On the 4-hour chart, we just see more details right here. You can see how the price acted based on that area. Here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, and many times over here the price perfectly respected its structure, and we saw very impressive intraday price fluctuations from that, yes. And right now we see how the price reacts to this structure. Let's just zoom out the chart and let's try to get what's happening right here. Yes, and here we must execute with you the candlesticks analysis. Yes, we will try to get what's happening here with the candles. As you can see, we had very nice bearish move right here. Yes, from the structure high that we identified to the daily, from the current structure high, the price nicely dropped. And once our identified daily support was reached, you can see that we formed here the doji candle. Yes, the price stopped falling. The price started to coil right here. We formed the doji. Buyers and sellers found the equilibrium. And after that, what do we see right here? We see the bullish engulfing candle. Why we call that the bullish engulfing candle? Because this candle right here engulfed the range of the previous bearish candle, and it signifies kind of strong bullish reaction from that level. Yes, so you can see how many clues we already have. We have this strong daily structure, we see the doji on 4-hour and the bullish engulfing candle. Let's check then what do we have on hourly chart. Hey guys, in such kind of analysis I execute live with my students in my premium educational group. There I do the live streaming for my students, and if you want to learn and see how I analyze the market live, if you want to ask me questions like, and if you want to see how I manage my trades, it is just the best place for you to be. It is very practical, very interesting. I analyze different currency pairs, I analyze gold and oil, we also analyze sometimes the cryptocurrencies, so it is very practical. If you want to be there, all the links in the description below, or just contact me in one of the social networks. Let's continue. Hourly chart, our task here is to just follow the price action. Yes, let's just follow the recent swings and let's just follow the price and how it acted recently. Here was our local bearish trend, yes, but once we reached the structure that we identified on a 4-hour and on a daily, you can see that we started to coil, and what did we form right here? Here we formed just the classic double bottom formation. Yes, the double bottom formation with the high low. If here was our previous structure low, yes, here the price even didn't manage to retest that low. The price started to grow from higher point, and here we have this so-called high low. And after that, what happened? Over here we had our local structure. Yes, our local structure. It was the support, then it turned into resistance. We respected that, and it was the neckline for the double bottom. And now we see the violation of that to the upside. Yes, we see the breakout of that to the upside, and now the retest of the neckline. And based on that, I decided to buy the pair. I decided to open a long position right here, and here based on the retest with the buy limit, I opened my long trade. Now let me try to explain to you where are my stop here and the target. For safe stop placement, the best option for you right here is to rely on the impulse lags within this double bottom formation. Yes, and especially I want to focus your attention on this lag. Yes, from the lower low to lower high right here. Based on that, we will take the Fib extension tool. Yes, we will take the Fib extension tool and we will draw the Fibs. And for the safe stop placement, we will apply here the 1272 extension. Yes, it gives very safe stop. It gives us kind of the objective safe stop below the lows. Yes, it gives very nice space for protection, and for that reason we will rely on this 1272 extension. Moreover, what is good about this 1272 extension, you can apply it on each and every double top you trade. Yes, it gives you a very, no matter what is the size of the pattern that you identified, 1272 will give you the scalable stop. Yes, depending on the size of the pattern, it will give you the scalable stop placement. And how about the targets right here? Let's try to get the targets. For that, let's go back to the 4-hour chart. And let's check where is our recent structure on a 4-hour. Yes, let's try to get where is our recent structure. You can see that we had here some interesting structure shelf somewhere in this zone. So somewhere there should be our first goal for our trade. So we go back to the hourly and we check just the recent price action. Yes, and here are our recent price fluctuations based on that area. So based on that, we derive our first target. Yes, over here just recently we respected the structure shelf. So here, based on that point, we will close 40% of our profits. Yes, and we will break even our position, making that risk-free. For the second target, we again look left at structure and we look for the next strong structure level. Yes, I just simply look left at structure, and over here I see the next nice structure level. Yes, so here will be our second target for the trade. Yes, so I am trying to, because it is already Thursday, I'm trying to catch here a quite quick move. I don't want to hold that position during the weekend, so I expect to cash out on this trading position, until the beginning of the weekend, so today and on Friday. So this is how the position looks like. I'm very confident in this trading setup. Risk here is 1%, yes, and you can see that with this trade we have the perfect combination of the daily time frame analysis, 4-hour time frame analysis, and hourly time frame analysis. Everything, each and every time frame tells us the same thing. Each and every time frame tells us that the market, will most likely bounce from the structure that we identified. So based on that, we make our trading decision, and this is the long trade that I'm currently holding. Alright traders, it is right now the US opening, the opening of the New York session, and you can see that our first goal is reached. So after a couple of hours of waiting, after some more fluctuations, the price finally started to grow, and you can see that we reached our first goal. What are the actions right now? First of all, we need to protect our position, and with the protection we move our stop to entry, and that makes our position risk-free. Moreover, we close partial profit right here, and we keep the rest for the free float, yes, until it reaches the second target or returns back to entry. We don't know. Let's see what's going to happen right here, but you can see very quick nice structure-based trade that I like, and classic example of my trading strategy. Hey traders, and as you can see, after the price reached our first goal, then we saw a strong movement to the downside and the price almost returned back to our entry. And right now the market is very close to my stop level, and chances are high right now that at night my position will be stopped out, and here I will get the profits just from the first target. But still I still hope that next morning I will wake up and I will see the market around the second target. But who knows, we never know how much money we're gonna get from the transaction. Sometimes we catch a very strong bullish movement, sometimes we see just the first target reached, but still we made money, and still we are holding our position. Our stop is just, it is just 1 pip below the current local structure level. So I still hope, let's hope that the market will start growing and next morning nice money will be made. Hey traders, it is the next morning, and as you can see, after the last recording the price tried to go higher. We saw a nice sequence of bullish candles, but unfortunately then the price dropped and our trade went closed on entry. So still here we made very nice profit. It is 0.7% of pure profit on our account, and now we are looking just some other trading opportunities. Yes, for now this trading opportunity is no more valid, we won't take that again. Yes, and now I'm scanning all different pairs and look for new trades. Yes, very nice strategy, very nice application of our rules in trading. Alright traders, thank you so much for watching, and now you see how I apply my trading strategy in practice. For more education, for more examples, don't forget to check my premium educational group. All the links are in the description below, or just contact me in one of the social networks for more details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you next week. Thank you so much, guys.